We had spoken about going short in Infosys, REC, taking a long call at 75 strike for an Idea Cellular, and even a Bajaj Hindustan, which is technically stopped out right now. What would you do? Firstly, an update on these, and then any new strategies.
I think as far as this week is concerned, I would largely prefer to look to close out the existing strategies. The shorts clearly would have done very well. They've been short Infosys at about 2840 with an expected target at about 2700. So that's one thing which has panned out well. The long in the 75 call of Idea is something which has played out well, because I was looking for a price of about 80-81, and that's what we've got. So I suggest closing that. A short REC was at about 193, trading down to about 187. That's the first of the targets. I do have a second target at about 83. But I think since the market has really played out on the downside, maybe people could look to close out the REC short also. Yes, the long in Bajaj Hindustan would have got triggered out today in that sharp fall. So we just lick our wounds on that and simply move on. We had a ratio spread in Rapaxi for the bullish side. It was at zero cost, so it really doesn't matter. We could simply ignore it, and I think these were more or less the set of things. Yes, we had, I think on Friday, a Reliance short future and short 950 put also. We are trading down in Reliance at about 945. The futures making fairly decent money. The put is around at the money. I see a long range bar in the index. I see a long range bar in Reliance. So this is a strategy I would want to take forward into the next week and hold on, because we are hedged on the short future. As far as the newer set of strategies are concerned, I think I will reserve it and say there is no new strategy for the weekend. Maybe just close out some of the existing one, take the Reliance strategy forward to the next week. And
want to become a little more aggressive on Reliance by removing the hedge, or you want to still keep it protected?
I think I will still keep it, because I don't want to think that I'm smarter than the market and that the market will not go down any further. So let it be there.
All right, keeping with the Reliance strategy forward with it. Booking, and obviously you've been stopped out on a Bajaj Hindustan, which was last week's recommendation.